Hey guys, in this part we talk about delete file in Python. Delete file. To delete a file you must import the os module and run its os.remove function. So import os and os.remove demo file .txt. Save and run. And the demo file is deleted. And I create demo file again and check if file exists. To avoid getting an error, you might want to check if the file exists before you try to delete it. So in here import os.remove this or comment this, and if os.path.exists demo file .txt and os.remove demo.txt file, and else print, for example, the file doesn't exist. Save and run. The file is deleted, and run again, and the file doesn't exist.